Here's how to use and get Eldorado.gg discount codes. First is you can go ahead and search active discount codes on Eldorado.gg on any browser that you have, and you will see their active discount codes page. Afterwards, click on the page and you will be able to see there the codes that it has. So as you can see, there is Gold City, November 2025, and discount page. For Gold City, it is actually valid until March 2, 2026, and for discount page is valid until the December 31, 2030. For November 2025, of course, it's already expired because this is only applicable last 2025. So as you can see, all you need to do is to apply the .gg codes on your Elordrado, or you can just go ahead and put on the discount codes while you do your purchase from the online shop. And that is how easy you get the codes to Eldorado.gg. Just go ahead and search it on any browser that you have, and then a page or a website will provide it for you as well as when it is valid.